Hey everyone, in this video I want to share with you a quick tip on how you can create more depth and impact with your telephoto images when you're out in the landscape. If you like, you can download the raw files from today's shoot via the link below. Let's go. So we're out in the valley this morning and I've spotted a beautiful scene of light and atmosphere with the mountains just rising above, perfect for a telephoto image. Now, from this perspective, if I capture the scene here, what we've got that main subject matter all off in the distance. It's going to create a nice photo, no doubt. But looking below, there's nothing else there. So everything is far away from me. And when the viewer looks at this image, everything is quite far off. There's not really much sense of depth in the scene. So let's take a shot now, and then I want to show you how you can really take the image to another level. All right, so you'll see here as we frame things up, definitely makes for a great scene because we've got that atmosphere above and below the peak. But why don't we try and take this to another level? So if we look below the mountain, below the cloud, you can see there's not much down there. We zoom out and there's just nothing is there. So from this perspective, the shot would have to be a tighter frame like this. But how can we give this image a lot more depth? Well, I'll show you. Let's go for a little walk and see what we can do. So I've gone for a walk. We've still got the same main subject matter, but it's a huge difference because what we have below is a series of plants and trees. And the whole reason for adding these is to create a sense of depth in the frame. Now the viewer has something that's much closer to them, as well as that object far away. So there's multiple layers throughout the frame. Let's have a look at the difference. So there we go, guys. Consider adding multiple layers to your frame to just create a real sense of three-dimensionality. Just ask yourself, do I have something near to me as well as that subject matter which is far away? It's going to make a dramatic difference to your images. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.